the ultimate shortcut in the Module 3 process of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, the Super Affiliate Network review. My name is Adam Shelton. Welcome to this review training today. And if you haven't already, click on the link below to get started with this unbelievable program that's going to really help you succeed. It's going to help you succeed because of the step-by-step training module. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, throughout the modules that we've been reviewing, Module 1 and Module 2, we've been talking about the millionaire within and the greatest opportunity when it comes to the online business structure. Now, this is all about the ultimate shortcut to big success with internet information marketing, so you can get profitable faster without doing 95% of the work. Would you like to learn how to do that? So in this review here, I'm going to play a little bit of the video of what you're going to be getting into when you're signing up for the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. When you sign up on the link below, get connected with your advisor and tell them you want to be a part of the bootcamp. Let me play a little bit of this video so you can get a better understanding exactly what today's module process is all about.
Today's training module, we're going to discuss all the various options you have when it comes to you taking the information that I've given you thus far and what you'll continue to learn throughout the actual Profit Boosting Bootcamp, then choosing the ideal business model to use to create the ultimate lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Now, to begin, let's go ahead and recap what we've already learned from, of course, studying the cash flow quadrant. So again, the cash flow quadrant says that 95% of the population is on the left side of the cash.
That's just a little bit of a review, a preview of exactly what this module training, which you're going to be getting today when you're signing up with the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. And right here that you see here, you see the 4 ways to produce income. We talked about this before in terms of the 4 categories: employee, self-employed, where most people start in the employee and self-employed section. And then we want to go over to the right side of the spectrum of the business owner and the investor. Absolutely. So you're going to learn a lot about that in this training when you sign up for the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. It's a great training deal. And it's about, let me see how long it is. It's about 29 minutes long. You're going to learn a lot from in terms of the shortcut and ways that you can really get profitable faster. How do you get your mindset really synced into the information, and how you can start making money online. I know that's why you're here, because you want to learn how to do that online, and these training step-by-step helps you along the way. So the next one here, after you watch this video, make sure you watch this, maybe watch it twice, because you need to watch it to make sure you get a better understanding. I'm telling you. And now here is your success story again. Marvin Sykes, a great student. He came in here, he crushed it. He had a really good mindset, you know what, and he's doing unbelievable for himself and his business and his family. I'm gonna play a little bit of this actually success story video testimonial that he did earlier. So let me go ahead and play this for you.
Hey, Marvin Sykes here. Now, I was a network marketer and I was building great teams, but the problem that I didn't have any time for myself. Between going to hotel meetings and living room meetings, it was really starting to boggle me down. Then I found a super affiliate network where I can build business strictly online through affiliate marketing. And once I found out, I was able to replace my income with network marketing with what I was doing in super affiliate network. I'm telling you, the system actually worked for me, and I'm super excited for where it's taking me.
That is Marvin Sykes. He is giving his video testimonial of the Super Affiliate Network, talking about the things that he went through. And also, you'll learn more about Marvin Sykes as well. He is part of this community, and you'll see more testimonials, I believe, that he does throughout the process. So he's somebody you want to look to follow as well. A person that's really came in, start crushing it, really start diving into the boot camp, start diving into the training, and implement things he learned, and he start having success. Now, results are not typical, but I wanted to show you what is possible when you come in and work really hard. What is possible as well. Now, after this, we watch this video, you fill out this information, which is the email address, your best email address, because this goes to your advisor, and the information that's your biggest takeaway from this Module 3 process. Make sure you fill those out correctly and honestly for the advisor can really work with you in terms of the process. Now, this is some little bonus here down here, this is more testimonials of the Super Affiliate Network. I will play one of these videos, but you can come back to this page here and you get an opportunity to really kind of get a better understanding of it. I'm gonna play Keisha Bass's here, and I'm gonna play maybe I'm gonna play more than one. Give more than one. I'm gonna play Keisha Bass and a few others for you to get a really good understanding what the Super Affiliate Network is all about.
Hey guys, it's Keisha Bass here, and I want to do this video as a testimonial for Misha Wilson and the Super Affiliate Network. I got started in the system a few months ago, just a few months ago, and just leveraging his simple system, I've been able to actually wake up to $1,000 sales. I've been able to see not just myself, but also to see folks that I've introduced to the system actually, create.
And that is Keisha Bass, an unbelievable entrepreneur. She is doing a great job with her business, and she's a really good person that you want to follow as well. I'm going to play Ace and Rich. That's right here. They're another powerful couple in this industry that's doing a great job in this community and with their own business.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Gutzman.
Hi guys, I'm Anastasia Holders, better known as Ace.
And we want to share an incredible testimonial with you with the Super Affiliate Network. And we're so excited to be part of this program because, as a matter of fact, we've only been in for 3 weeks and we made already 5 sales. Everything that Misha teaches in this program, he's right spot on the money. Let me tell you guys, there's many different steps that you must follow because we've done it in the past, but the way this is laid out, it's laid out so simple that anybody could actually do this.
Anybody, even me, someone who actually been in the network marketing industry for over 12 years, failed.
And that is the sensational Ace and Rich, once again giving their video testimonials. Remember, when you get to this page, you can watch all these videos multiple times to get that inspiration and that motivation, because these people came in and done a great job, or they did a good job in their own businesses, and they are part of Super Affiliate Network in some way. I'll play one more video as well.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Kate McShay, and I am a home-based business owner that also teaches other home-based business owners how to utilize social media and video marketing to grow and build their businesses. And I am here at Misha Wilson's event for the Super Affiliate Network, and I couldn't be more excited to be here. I actually just finished up speaking, and I spoke on my 4-step promotion to profit formula utilizing Facebook Live, where you actually have 4 days of promotion with very specific ways of utilizing video to get more people to connect with you and to reach out to you. So what's really cool about this event, and really specifically about Misha, is I've known Misha for a little while now. We actually grew up together, I guess you could say, in this internet marketing world, and it's been awesome to see him grow and just expand who he is to bigger levels than honestly I even knew were possible. And what I love so much about him is his dedication to his people, his dedication to making sure that they see growth as well too. And I just couldn't be happier for him. And what I love at this event is
And there you go. That's a little bit of another video testimonial of the Super Affiliate Network. I want to do one more. I want to do one more because I'm in that mode. Because I want to make sure you get really understanding, a good understanding what the Super Affiliate Network is all about and how powerful this movement is. I'm going to play one more video right here.
Hey, I'm Fernie Ceballos here at the Super Affiliate Network. Misha's a good friend of mine, and today I spoke on how to get started as a beginner with Facebook advertising and how to create a 90-day roadmap for you to get from newbie, knowing nothing about even marketing, much less Facebook, to starting to generate leads and sales by the end of those 90 days. So what makes attending events so critical, every aspect of your life, your mind, body, and spirit is in alignment in one direction, and that's not only learning the content, but also applying it and connecting with other people who are going to be instrumental in your growth in your business. So what makes Misha's event so special, and quite honestly, Misha has become one of the most talented and skilled marketers in the world. I go to Misha a lot myself, and there's no better person to learn about conversion, creating funnels, and making sales online than Misha Wilson. So if you're thinking about coming to
And there it is. There's more video testimonials when you get to this page here. There's so many of them here that you can go ahead and play and get that, get that inspiration, get a better understanding, get a better view of the Super Affiliate Network when you get to the Module 3 process. So once again, watch this video about the ultimate shortcut to big success with internet information marketing. It's about a 29-minute video. Then watch this student success stories, about 30 seconds, about Marvin Sykes, the things that he's doing very well in his business. And of course, fill out this information out here. What's your biggest takeaway? Any questions, concerned? This information will go to your advisor, and then he or she will work with you on your next steps. And then the next here, watch these videos here, because there's some powerful video testimonials. These are student success stories. These are people who've been through the program, or these are people that's been a part of Super Affiliate Network in some fashion and doing great things in their business and in their lives. So you definitely want to get a part of this as well. All right, this is the review, Module 3 process, the ultimate shortcut. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And once again, click on the link below if you haven't been part of this movement. Yes, this is something that you definitely need to check out and go through the boot camp and really dive into the training for you can start having that success, for you have the opportunity to have that success for you and your business and your life and your freedom. Yes, your freedom. Okay, my name is Adam Shelton. I'll see you in the Module 4 review that I'm going to be talking about. So stay tuned to that one as well. And I'll see you on that Module 4 review process.